My name is Sasha. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my apartment. I got a bunch of appliances and stuff for it, so it's really cool. Maybe we can do a baking video in here sometime? I'm not that great at baking, so maybe Kim can bake in here. But let's get started. First, we're gonna start with the kitchen. Obviously, I have the kitchen counter with cabinets and drawers and stuff. I don't even remember what's in most of these. Oh right, this one has some spoons, utensils, and other stuff. Over here I have a spice rack. I don't have very much stuff in there right now. But if Kim comes over here to make a baking video, I'll have to go to the grocery store and get a bunch of new spices. Anyway, in this drawer I also have a bunch of stuff. I use this cookbook a lot. Also in here, these are actually pieces from my waffle iron. I can swap them out to make the waffles shaped like a bear instead. Actually, here's the waffle iron right here. I actually made some waffles to have for lunch today. Over here on the counter I have this coffee machine. I usually use that in the mornings. And this is a little scale for measuring stuff. Here I have some shelves with a bunch of different stuff. I have some cinnamon. I also have a little beach jar and a rock. Some flour, a couple of decorative books. I really like these little containers. And lastly up here, just this little plant. Now I'll move on to this cabinet over here. I actually have a bunch of stuff stored inside these cabinets. What the? Why did Shell put the toaster away with toast in it? Sorry, Wheatley said toast is no good. Shell, you aren't supposed to be in it until the next episode. Alright, come on Wheatley. As I was saying, I also have some plates, Tupperware, and a mixer in there. Then down here I have a cutting board and crock pot. There's nothing in it right now. Oh, I forgot about the oven. And then just a regular sink. I don't have a dishwasher, so we just hand wash dishes and put them in the dish rack. I also have this little toaster oven. Once you open it, it actually has 2 levels. Now I'll show you the fridge. I actually have a bunch of stuff in the fridge, mostly just desserts. And in this drawer I have some popsicles and stuff. So anyway, that's pretty much it for the kitchen. Now I'm just gonna take you to the living room. So this is the living room. This is a really soft sofa. I really like the pillows we have on it, especially this one. Over here is just this soft chair with a fluffy pillow. This one's really soft. On this table we just have a little flower plant, some random decorative sticks, and Shell left her cake and tea here. These might actually be incense sticks. I wonder what they smell like. Maybe I should light them. Over here we have a blanket rack. On this table there's just this record player, some little papers in a jar for some reason, and this candlestick. And then just some artwork up there. At the top of the room we have some lights, and we're gonna eventually put some Polaroid pictures in those clothespins. Alright, so that's the living room. Now we're gonna go to the bedrooms. This is the bedroom. It's pretty small since it's just an apartment, so Shell has to use a sleeping bag for now. But I'm gonna show it to you anyway. So the bed is pretty soft, and I have a bunch of pillows and this cute seal stuffed animal. And over here I have a record player, a mug, a bunch of purses, and yeah. And there's a mirror back here. My favorite part has to probably be this bag. And yeah, that's just pretty much the bedroom. So anyway, that's just my apartment. I share it with Shell, but you won't meet her until a couple episodes later. And Wheatley. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Bye! Odd, I haven't had any visits from Icicle in this video. That's good, I guess. Oh, great. What the? I tried to steal some food from in there and it's so cold and I got trapped. Why were you in there again, Icicle? See ya!